Hello, welcome to Best Budget Info. Today I will show the 4 best doorbell cameras without monthly fees. Let's see what we have in this episode go together. On number 1 we have U5 Video Doorbell. See every information of the activity in picture-perfect 2 Kelvin resolution when live streaming and also recording without paying monthly fees. It is developed to shield your house along with your budget. U5 protection items are one-time acquisitions that integrate security with comfort. The on-device AI instantly evaluations each occasion as well as precisely figures out whether or not a human exists. This makes sure just relevant alerts are sent and that you are alerted in real time. Tape and also set up to 3 immediate responses. When you are notified of activity, just select one of your pre-recorded responses to connect and also give instructions. Speak straight to any person who approaches your front door using two-way audio. Inform your good friends ahead round the back or that you have simply run out to obtain some milk. Draw a task zone to personalize the area in which movement is found. Leave out active pedestrian areas or roads to decrease the number of false notifies you to obtain. On number 2 we have Lorex Video Doorbell. The doorbell includes a WD Purple microSD card, which offers you with sufficient regional storage space to keep all your recordings risk-free as well as safe and secure, without any included regular monthly fees. No activity around your doorstep thanks to built-in individual detection, which will certainly send alerts to your Lorex home application when movement from an individual is detected. Program the LED light to activate at a chosen time. And also for included safety, the LED light can be triggered when activity is spotted to deter undesirable visitors. The 2 Kelvin QHD video doorbell is installed using your pre-existing doorbell circuitry. The doorbell needs 1624 VAC or 1224 VDC to operate. The wired links make sure trustworthy link security. The 2 included mounting bracket wedges allows for optimal positioning for the best watching angle. Your residence will always be accessible thanks to the Lorex House app. This application will enable you to remotely access your doorbell no matter your location so you can easily check out live video, personalize your setups, playback tape recorded movement events and also speak with site visitors at your door. On number 3 we have Roamo S Video Doorbell. It comes with no month-to-month subscription costs, records as well as stores all movement activity for as much as 3 days using totally free cloud storage space. Streams all your real-time videos in premium HD with 1800 wide angle and also infrared vision. Warping choice offered for real-time view. It allows you to pick locations of passion and also sends instant information on your clever device when movement is detected in your video doorbell site. Allows you see, hear, and also talk with visitors from your mobile phone or tablet utilizing the Roamo Plus app. It is powered by existing doorbell wiring as well as supplies 24/7 security of all front door tasks. You can increase or lower the sensitivity of your motion sensors. It works with Amazon.com Alexa, Google Aid, as well as IFTTT. Specify motion sensing locations to identify relevant tasks. On number 4 we have Amcrest Video Doorbell. The Amcrest Wi-Fi Video Doorbell is geared up with a super wide 140° watching angle, allowing you to watch on what issues most to you. Integrated with two-way talk. The Amcrest Doorbell Video Camera is an excellent house safety remedy for your front door. Requires wired power or separate power supply. View your complete HD video footage from throughout the globe using Amcrest's Smart House Cloud application. Smart Residence Cloud uses optional premium strategies that allow you to live stream and playback your video footage via the cloud's instinctive interface. Get email and push notices directly to your smartphone. Utilize smart signals that send out notifications straight to your computer system or smart device through the Amcrest Smart House application. Tailor your movement detection zones to obtain just the informs that you require. Be alerted anytime your clever house video camera goes offline. This item might have components which are not NDII certified. Observe 1080p HD video footage at 30 fps on this smart home-ready cordless security camera with the most recent CMOS photo sensor. A large 140° angled viewing angle allows you to cover even more ground to maintain what you like safe. So these are some of the best doorbell camera with monthly fees. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe my channel for future updates.